We're going to insert photos to our website, and we need to make our pages to look like these models for this activity. So in Dreamweaver, we have our photos available. And in the balloons page, I want to insert the photo corresponding to this cell. There are several ways to insert a photo. One of them is just by clicking on Insert, Image, and then Insert Image. And we need to browse for the photo, in this case balloon, any occasion, the last photo. And the other way is just by dragging the photo into the cell. Before inserting a photo, we need to take care of the column width in pixels. This 20% is equivalent to 158 pixels. We need to keep track of that. The column width is 158 pixels. Then in Dreamweaver, first we need to type the ID of the photo, which is just a sequential number, IM01, or depending on the photo. The other description we're going to type is the alternate text. That is the description that appears when we pass the mouse over the photo. This is an example. And the title. The title contains the keywords that the search engines are going to use to find this information or photo in the internet. Then in Dreamweaver, we're going to insert this photo. We're going to type the ID. We're going to type the alternate text, which is set of heart balloons, and the title as well. To optimize the photo, we're going to use 3 different steps and 3 different tools. The first tool is using the Edit Image settings. Our goal is to download the kilobytes of the photo between 30 and 50 kilobytes. The reason is just to speed up the loading of the page and make it accessible for the potential visitors of our website. It's very important to take care that we never use a quality below 60. Back to Dreamweaver, we select a photo. We go to the Edit section of the Properties Inspector and we click on the Edit Image settings, the gears. Over here we choose JPEG High for maximum compatibility, and then we may use the mouse or we may type the new quality. The new file size is going to appear below. If we click on OK, the size will be updated. And we need to keep working on the image quality and the other tools until we reach the goal of 30 to 50 kilobytes. The second step is to work and make the photo to fit in the column width. Right now, as we can see, it's very big. So we kept aside the column width in pixels. We need to consider the cell padding of the table, since, as we learned, the cell contains an inner margin or cell padding. In our example of 5 pixels on each border, so 5 pixels here and 5 pixels here, that we need to consider to get the image width. I select the table and I have here the cell padding. So the left cell padding is 5 pixels, the right is 5 pixels. Then we subtract from the column width, the left cell padding, and the right cell padding. The new image width is this one, or more or less. Back to Dreamweaver, I select the photo, and I need to make sure that the lock is not off but on to avoid distorting our photo. So we're gonna set the new image width 148. I click anywhere outside, and here I have it. The photo visual size is enough for the column width, and it's alright, not distorted. Finally, the third step is just to crop it only if we need it. I just select the photo, I click on the crop icon, and then I just make the changes I need, and I click again on the crop icon. So these are the different steps to optimize an image. It's very important as well that we take care of the horizontal and vertical alignments of the cell.